你好，I'm Chef Tom. Today we are making vegetable egg roll, crispy and yummy. Let's get started. So here we have 2 cups of mixed vegetable: bean sprout, cabbage, carrot, bamboo shoots, and we have some egg roll wrapper. Some are thick, some are thinner. A little bit of ginger and garlic mint, fresh dark sauce, and mustard. Preheat your frying pans to medium-high heat. Usually take about 15-20 seconds, nice and warm. You can use vegetable cooking oil or extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna stir fry the vegetable, give them some flavor. Ginger and garlic in. You know I love to cook with ginger and garlic. Smell amazing. Get them a little aromatic. So now your oil is incorporated with ginger and garlic. Fresh. Very healthy for you. Now we're going to add in all the vegetables. Give them a quick toss. If you want just to blanch the vegetable, that'll be fine too. We just need to soften the vegetable a little bit. I am going to add a pinch of salt. Not too much. Some pepper. The idea is you don't want to cook this vegetable too mushy, otherwise a lot of juice will come out. We don't want the vegetable to be juicy, too much water or juicy. We want it kind of dry. Okay, I think it's done. Turn off the heat. You see how easy that is? Roasted sesame oil. That will give them a lot of flavor. But it's very important, just use like this, drizzle. Not even quarter teaspoon for this recipe. And a quick toss. Smells so good. Like this, no juice. Okay? This vegetable is really hot at this moment, so you need to chill the vegetable in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. If that's too hot, it will melt that egg roll wrapper, you know, and it's not gonna be good when you fry it. Okay? We are ready to make the egg roll. 1 egg. Crack. The Chinese way to beat the egg. There we go. This is the egg roll wrapper. The diamond shape, the angle pointed toward your body. You're just gonna put a little filling in. Make sure you're not over the filling, otherwise you cannot roll over, and when you deep fry it, it will fall apart. Now, very simple. Fold number 1, leave about inch gap, tuck it in a little bit, see that? And then fold on this side, make sure nicely angle seal the corner, okay, like this. Brush the egg toward the end of the wonton wrapper, you see that? And then you roll. Use all your fingers slowly, gently roll. And when you get to the peak, press it down at the bottom, because this is the most important part, is the egg roll need to be sealed. If you don't seal this, when they fry, everything will come out. No good. Okay. Practice make perfect, right? If there's too much filling, just take, for instance, too much, just take one out, you know. Tuck it in, fold it, fold it. And you just roll it. And you see the end here? This part is very important. See that? Nicely sealed. Regarding the vegetable, normally the egg roll, bean sprout, and the cabbage are the main ingredient, right? But at home, really doesn't matter. You can use any kind of vegetable, chop it up, you know, any way you like. Whatever the vegetable left over, you can make as egg roll. Simple. If you like some protein, you can add some chicken, and make sure the protein is cooked. See that? All right, I'm going to make one more. I use a cast iron. I would say only like fill in less than 3/4 deep of the cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil. In this case, when you fry egg roll, you don't want to use extra virgin olive oil because the oil is not high heat smoking point. It's very hard to fry the egg roll. Normally the temperature need to reach up to 375 before you add anything to fry. Make sure your oil is hot. If the oil is hot, we call it a hot fry. It just like bubble fry the outside the surface of the egg roll, so the calorie is less than if the oil is cold and you absorb all the oil into the wonton wrapper. How I determine the oil is ready to fry is I put a bamboo or wood stick, and once you see the stick or the bamboo, it start form a little bubble around, that means the oil is about 350, something like that. It's ready to fry. Almost there. I start to see the bubble. See the little tiny bubble? Can you tell? Like this? Yeah, it's ready. Okay. The next thing, yeah, you see the noodles bubble up and go away. Okay, like that, like this, away. If you twirl yourself, the oil will splash. Or you can just use a tongue like this. That. When you fry something, you don't want to over batch. I mean, say this is 4, 5, probably 5 or 6 egg roll will be good. You know, and then I'm gonna let them fry until golden brown. I will give them a quick flip and fry on the other side. How long would it take? It depends on your oil, on your equipment, and your frying pan. This is a cast iron. It's very good for transfer the heat nice and evenly. I'm gonna take a quick peek. Not yet. You see? Start getting brown and crispy. And make sure your oil is not over high heat. I mean, they're gonna fry the skin really quick. It brown really quick, but inside doesn't really get them in another level of cooking. You want the vegetable in filling that kind of like soften up, dancing, mingle together, you know, give them a nice flavor of those mixed vegetables. Most egg roll you order from the restaurant, they don't have ginger and garlic, but I like to add ginger and garlic. I start can see the top like a little brown. Let me see. Yep, I think that's good. It doesn't look as dark, right? But when you're done, it will get darker, trust me, because the oil is hot. Still carry on cooking. We call carry on cooking. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful egg roll. That'll be a great idea for a party tray. Let's say you have more than 9 or egg rolls to fry. The first batch you can fry 5, and then after done, you let the oil heat up a little bit hotter, and then fry 4. Because the first batch always beautiful. The second batch is less. The oil, the heating point is not as strong, so they're not as crisp. So the second batch usually I fry those the last. Not yet, almost there. Almost there. And sometimes I can just tell by experience. Remember I say practice make perfect. I think my heat is a little too high. So let's turn it down a little bit. Especially when you use a cast iron to cook. What is the #1 enemy that you fry with hot oil? No water, no splashing, okay? Water is no good. It's like bomb. Gotta be careful. When you fry something, everything is nice and dry. Almost there. You can double flip. If you think your top is not brown enough, you can double flip. It's no problem. Very nice. Okay, I think it's done. Now the egg goes super hot. Remember I say crispy, hard fry? You hardly see any oil. It will just dry by itself because the oil is so hot, it just fry the surface. If your oil is cold, I guarantee when you put the egg roll in, all the oil absorb. It will never get this crispy and mushy with, how you sometimes you squeeze a lot of oil coming out, because that's when you deep fry, oil is not high enough. Okay. Ooh. Plum sauce you can buy from the store. Hot mustard, fresh hot mustard. See that? Yummy. Let's go. I'm gonna cut one open for you to see. See how crispy this is? Ha-ha! See that? Let's dig into it. Ooh, hot. Wow. Oh, so good. Plum sauce, sweet, crispiness, and the mixed vegetable. Actually, this is not bad. Very healthy. You not eat fried food every day, but this is so good. Look at that smoke. So good. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.